What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today it is going to be a little bit different. I am doing a voiceover after I actually recorded the video. So yeah, I had some crazy stuff happen in this video. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and you hit the like button. Subscribing is free and it helps so much. You guys can't even understand how grateful and thankful I am for all of the support throughout the history of the channel. So just sit back and enjoy the video. So it kind of started out, I was leaving like one of the towns that I was in, and this guy, he was making a left-hand turn, and so I went to just go around him, and that made him extremely mad. He started honking, and then he started following super close to me, and so then I hit my camera button. I don't think my mic was on, but if you look in the review mirrors, you can see he starts like getting closer and closer because I wasn't turning around. I wasn't gonna give him any attention, but like, just keep watching. I'll skip ahead a bit, but just watch. At this point, I start to worry that the guy might be drunk, so I try to be very predictable and try not to do anything that might piss the guy off even more. But you can see in my review, he is getting really close. Fast forward like 5-ish minutes, this guy's still riding me extremely close. He's not getting any farther back, so I kind of tell him, like, back off. He's a little bit too close, and I don't like it. You guys can't see it, but he's like flicking me off. He's extremely mad, banging on his steering wheel. So right here, I just try to get him to go around me because I don't want to have to deal with that. And this is where things escalate. Right here, he brake checks me, which is kind of to be expected as I am going a little bit fast behind him. And then this is just where I get upset. I know I'm pointing to my mirrors and pointing to his, but I would never actually smash mirrors. I just kind of wanted to let this guy know I'm upset, and I was pretty stupid of him. Yeah, I'm going a bit fast here, and I shouldn't have been. I was really, really aggravated, but just keep watching. My camera settings are really weird because I wasn't really ready to record a video. I just kind of turned my camera on because of this guy. But here you can see he's being kind of stupid. He's trying to find a place to pass his van because I'm right behind him, and he's getting like itchy, he's getting nervous. So he starts like swerving. You can barely really see the line. But there we go. Now you can start to see it right here. He's trying to pass his van. I'm trying to pass him. He passes his van at a really bad time. There's a car up ahead, and you guys can't see it, but yeah, he drives him way off the side. He didn't have time to make that pass, so that could have caused a pretty bad accident. If that other driver wasn't paying attention, that could have even been a head-on collision, and could have been really, really bad for some people. At this point, the guy kind of zooms off into town, and so I stop following. I just go home, tell my parents about it. You know, what else can you do? I got his plate, so I wasn't really going to do a whole lot. I could put myself in even more danger, but kind of made this video to like show people there are dumb people out there. Like, no matter what you do, there is always going to be dumb people, especially on a motorcycle. Like, a lot of people don't like motorcycles, so probably the best thing I could have done was just pulled off to the side of the road, let him pass, and be mad about it, and then be done. But yeah, just ride your own ride, stay safe, and yeah, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.